Welcome back to our channel. So you people are learn about the arithmetic operators in Python in my previous video, right? Now in Python we have another set of operators called comparison operators. We can use these operators to compare the values. Okay, let me show you. So am I going to declare a variable called x and set it to expression is like this. 3 is greater than 2. So what we have here, this piece of code or this expression, we are going to call it as Boolean expressions because it will going to produce the Boolean value. So in this case, because 3 is greater than 2, right? The result of this expression is true. So if I print this statement, print x. Okay, let me run this program, see what was the result. Okay, see here, this is a true value, right? Why not? Because 3 is greater than 2, so that's why it will going to print true on the console or terminal, right? Just I will clear the terminal. Okay, just I will clear it also. Okay, let me take one more example for your better understanding, guys. Just I will declare a one more variable called a and set this 10 as a value of a and b value 10. Okay, if I print like this, a is greater than b. Okay, just I will copy this statement and print over here, print, paste, 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 guys. Okay, just I will change the symbols here. I will use okay, this is greater than symbol, this is greater than or equal symbol, this is less than, and I will change this also, this is lesser than or equal to, this is equal symbol, and this is not equal. How you can write the not equal symbol, guys? Exclamatory mark plus assign symbol, right? Just I will erase it. Okay, what we need to understand from here, in Python we have the, these are the comparison operators in Python: greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. These are the operators in Python which are compare the values. Okay, first it will, just I will explain this piece of code, then we people are getting an idea about this statement. Okay, a, what is the value of a? 10, right? What is the value of b? 5. 10 is greater than 5, correct? So when I will run this program, it will going to print on the terminal is true statement, right? Suppose you can take this one, a value is 10 and b value is 5. 10 is greater than or equal to 5, yeah, right now. So it will going to print the true value on the terminal. So this is how we can use the comparison operators in these programs. Okay, let me run this program and see what happened. Okay, hello guys, see here, this is a true, this is a true, this is false. Okay, false. A is less than b here. You can see here, a is less than b. What is the value of a? 10. What is the value of b? 5, right? 10 is less than b, na? It is, this is a wrong, so that's why it will going to print false statement on the terminal. Okay, just erase it, and here also clear the console. Okay guys, I will take an real-time example based on the comparison operators in Python, guys. This is for you people, guys. Okay, just I will comment what's the real-time example is. Login system. Okay, This is the real-time example which can based on the operator comparison operators in Python, right? Okay, let me declare a variable called correct password. Correct password which can assign to, we can use the value like string Sudhakar 123. Okay, we needed to use the input, right? So we will use the input user underscore password. Input input, enter your password. Enter your password. Enter your password. Correct. First I will write the code, guys, then I will explain how it works and what's the thing we are going to use it in this program, right? If user password equals to correct password, then enter the column here. Print, it will show some error, I will clear after the program finish. Okay, print double quotations login successfully, otherwise else print double quote try again. Okay, here something will, okay, see, anybody can find out what is the error here. Okay, we will use this variable as a underscore will be used, right? Okay, here I will miss the underscore, that's why it will show the error, guys. Okay, okay, now it's okay. Let me explain how it works. This program, okay, just I will explain the this how it will execute the program and how it will works the program, guys. Okay, here is we can create a variable called correct password. Correct, the correct password can store the password is Sudhakar 123, right? Actually this is the actually password, guys. Okay, and then the input functions will be there na. Okay, the input functions ask the user enter the password, whatever the user type is stored, the variable is user password. What are the password we can type on the console, right? It will store the user password, it we can store input in the variable called user password, guys. Then we are going to use the if cases. Okay, if statement, if statement compare the user password with correct password using the equal operator. Okay, this is a equal operator, right? If statement can check whether user password and correct password are matches or mismatches. Whether it is matches, then only it will going to print the login successfully. Otherwise, if mismatches occur, then it will going to print the incorrect password, guys. Okay, this is so simple example, but it can used in real time, guys. Okay, let me run this program and see what happened. Okay, enter your password, I will enter Sudhakar 1 2 3. Okay, login successfully here. The result is login successfully. First, it will take the in password, then only it will print the login successfully. Whether the if condition will be there now. This is if condition will be there now. It will check whether the user password and correct passwords are equal or not. Suppose it will equal, it will going to print login successfully. Otherwise, if it is false, then only it will going to print the incorrect password. I will take one example for you people. I will show you how it is. One more time I will run this code. Okay, here will ask enter your password. Okay, now I enter the wrong password, guys. SUDHA 123. Now it will going to print the incorrect password. See. Okay, see here. I think you people are getting my words. Incorrect password. I try again. So this is how we can use comparison operators in real-time application, guys. Correct. These are the examples. We will use the comparison operators, guys. Most commonly used these operators in if statements, logical expressions and loops and many more. Okay, I think you people have enjoyed this video. Let me stop here only. Bye bye, see you in the next video. See you in the next